Chapter 6 More About Keyboard. A keyboard is used for typing numbers, alphabets, and some special symbols. It is an input device which is used for entering the data in the computer. By pressing the keys on the keyboard, we can type on the computer. A standard keyboard generally has 104 keys. Let us now learn about some special keys of the keyboard. Enter key. For moving the cursor to the next line, we use the Enter key. A small blinking line on the monitor where the next typed letter or number appears is known as cursor. The cursor is a small straight standing line which keeps on blinking while we are typing. Enter key simply moves the cursor to the next line. It does not print anything on the screen. On a keyboard, there are two Enter keys. Backspace key. This key is used for erasing anything typed on the left side of the cursor. Suppose you have typed bust top by mistake. For correcting this spelling, position the cursor after the first T and then use the backspace key for erasing the extra T. Delete key. It is used for erasing anything typed on right side of the cursor. Suppose you have typed MIOUSE by mistake. To correct this spelling, position the cursor after M and then use the delete key for erasing I. Spacebar key. It is the longest key on a keyboard. For inserting the blank space between two letters or words, spacebar key is used. For example, to type words my space father, first type the word my, press spacebar, and then type the word father. Arrow keys. These keys are used for moving the cursor in the four directions on the monitor. These keys are also known as the cursor control keys. The arrows marked on the keys show the direction in which cursor moves when these keys are pressed. You can move in all four directions, up, down, left and right by using these keys. Caps Lock key. This key is used for typing the capital letters. Press this key to switch it on and press it again to switch off. When caps lock is on, all the letters are typed in uppercase. For example, my name is Dhruv Gupta. When the caps lock key is off, all the letters are typed in lowercase. For example, my name is Dhruv Gupta. Shift key. There are two shift keys on a keyboard. Both have the same function. The shift key is also used along with other keys. Keep the shift key pressed and then type the alphabet keys. The alphabets appear in capital letters if the caps lock key is off. Numlock key. You can use the numeric keypad available on the right side of the keyboard. For doing so, numlock should be turned on. A glowing light above the numlock label shows that it is on. The keys on the keypad now work as numeric keys. Navigation keys. There are several keys on a keyboard which makes our work easy. These are called navigation keys. The following are the navigation keys. Arrow keys helps us to move up, down, left and right. Page up and page down keys help us to move one page up or one page down at a time. Home key helps us to move to the beginning of a line. End key helps us to move at the end of the line. Symbol keys. Many keys present on the top of a keyboard are marked with the symbols on the top. These symbols are used using the Shift key. Keep the Shift key pressed and then press the symbol key for inserting a particular symbol. In order to type these signs, we use two buttons simultaneously. Shift +1 for exclamation mark. Shift +2 for @ symbol. Shift +3 for hash. Shift +4 for dollar symbol. Shift +5 for percentage mark. Shift +6 for caret mark. Shift +7 for ampersand mark. Shift +8 for asterisk. Shift +9 for open bracket mark. Shift +0 for closed bracket mark. Lesson sum up. Spacebar key is the longest key and is used for inserting space between words and letters. For moving the cursor to the next line, Enter key is used. For erasing things typed on the left side of the cursor, Backspace key is used. Delete key is used for erasing things typed on the right side of the cursor. Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor where the next typed letter or number appears. Caps Lock key is used for typing the capital letters. Numlock key is used for typing numbers using the numeric keypad.